I love walking around Vrindavan and stop by the old courtyards. In such places you can feel the spirit of renunciation from this world. The sadhus are living in these cells and their only activity is worship of Krishna. There is an atmosphere of peace and happiness. Please come to Vrindavan to experience this vibe yourself. For their worship of the deities, sadhus pick flowers every morning. For Krishna's satisfaction, devotees decorate the altar with flowers and offer the deities various delicious preparations. Today I will show you how to cook a chickpea raita. Chickpeas contain a lot of vegetable protein, so it's so important for vegetarians to use chickpeas in their diet. Put the pan on fire. Add some ghee. Fry cumin seeds, then add turmeric and asafoetida. In this masala, fry one finely chopped tomato. Also, I added fresh green hot pepper. Cover with the lid for 1 minute. Then add pre-cooked chickpeas with a small amount of water in which it was boiled. Besides, chickpeas can be used for various dishes, like for example you can add it to a salad or make hummus out of it. That's why I boil chickpeas in advance and keep it in the fridge. Add few tablespoons of fat cream. You can also use sour cream, but the cream gives a more delicate taste.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rāma, Rāma, Hare Krishna.
Mix it and bring to a boil. Since Vaishnavas do not taste the dish while cooking, we add salt at the end when we are able to see the final amount of what needs to be salted. For a special flavor, I add dry leaves of shambhala. In India, it is called methi. I cover the lid so that the aroma saturated our dish and it's done. Our chickpea raita is ready. It's very tasty and nourishing dish. It's easy to cook. Try to make it yourself. You will like it.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rāma, Rāma, Hare Krishna, Krishna.
We humbly request for a financial support of our life in Vrindavan. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell so as not to miss new recipes. It was Manjari from Vrindavan. See you soon. Hare Krishna.
Hare Rāma.